Okay, let's start with Sammy. Sammy, could you please introduce yourself? Guys, I appreciate, hold on, Sammy. I appreciate if you turn off your speaker the way. The speaker only, guys, in order to allow other people to understand exactly what other people say. Because in that way, we are not going to be able to hear it correctly. Okay? So let's go, Sammy. Could you please start? Remember to speak loud so I can understand what you say. Sammy?
Yes.
Guys, I'm sorry, I can't hear like that. Could you please turn off your speakers while other person is speaking? I'm so sorry, Sammy, to interrupt you like that because I can hear you. Sammy, speak loud. Please turn off your speakers while other person is talking. Alex, please.
Alex, you listen, please.
Is better? What is better?
You can listen to me better.
Yes, I can hear you well. I mean, guys, please turn off your speakers while everybody is speaking, giving the introduction, because in other way we are not going to be able to understand what other people say. Okay? Okay. Okay. In 1 minute, guys, because the time is passing by and then we haven't done anything.
My name is Scarlett Moya Chaverra. And right now I'm studying English as a second language, and I'm in the 9th semester.
No. Guys, I don't know. What is that noise? Please turn off your speakers, guys. Please turn off your speaker while the other person is speaking. Guys, wow. Alex, is that your computer? The noise? Where is the noise coming from? Okay, Patricia. So, okay, tell me something about you. Your introduction. Introduce yourself.
Okay.
Introduce yourself, please.
Okay. Good night. My name is Patricia Isabel Sanchez. I live in Bucaramanga. I currently in Florida Blanca. I am a teacher of English in primary and preschool. I am finished my degree in English. This is my last semester.
Okay. Me seems like Patricia lost the internet connection. Hello, Patricia. Are you there, Patricia? Well, Patricia is not there. Okay. In the meantime, Patricia comes back. Okay, David. David, are you there?
Okay.
Okay, David. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes.
I can hear you well. Okay, David. Actually, okay, it's important. Let me tell you, it's important that you have a wall camera because I need to see you. I need to see you while you speak. You see what I mean? It's absolutely important to see you while you speak. So, and then, for now, turn off your camera because it's not working.
Yes, what problem? My camera is problem.
I don't know,
A
guys, if
problem.
the problem, probably the problem is from here. Okay, let's go, David. So let's tell me something about you.
Excuse
Okay.
me, the internet failed.
Ah, okay, Patricia is back. Patricia, are you back? Okay, Patricia, continue.
I am finished my degree in English. This is my last semester. I like to do many interesting things in my free time. Like I love reading, cooking. I like to listen to music and spend a lot of time with my family.
Okay. So, Patricia, tell me, where are you from?
Yes, I am from Bucaramanga.
Bucaramanga. So, in this moment, you are in Bucaramanga.
Okay.
In this moment, you are in Bucaramanga. Are you?
Yes. And currently live in Florida Blanca.
Okay, you currently live in Florida Blanca. Okay. Now, tell me, how long have you been studying English, Patricia?
And sometimes Sunday.
Sunday? Okay. How long? How long? Okay. Patricia, what do you do for a living?
How long?
Patricia, what do you do for a living?
Yes.
Tell me, what do you do for a living? Patricia,
Lifetime.
what do you do for a living, Patricia? Okay, Patricia, what's your telephone number?
The number, telephone number is 31658445009.
So, 584-4509. Yes?
Yes.
316 584 4509. Yes?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Patricia. Okay, let's listen to David, because David is, we have been losing a lot of time. David, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, tell me.
Okay,
Tell me, my teacher, tell me.
introduce
Yes.
yourself, please.
Okay. My name is David Perez. I have one daughter. Her name is Cristal. I'm studying English in UNAD. Tell me.
What do you do for a living, David?
I'm working at the mine here or there. I'm mechanical technical in Cerrejo, mine Cerrejo.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Valledupar City.
So, do you live in Valledupar?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, we can see over here. Sammy, can you hear me? Sammy, can you hear me? Well, guys, could you please give me your telephone? Okay, Sammy, well, could you please give me your telephone number? Sammy?
My phone number?
Yeah, wait, David, what is your telephone number?
Yes, my phone number is 316 49.
I'm sorry? 316?
498 9429.
Okay. Alexander. Sammy, could you please give me your telephone number? Sammy. Sam. Yes, can I have your telephone number? Can I have your telephone number?
Sound like a marciano. Sound like a marciano.
Phone number.
I don't
Phone
listen
number.
well.
Phone number. I
Sammy,
just
what
type
are
it.
you?
There is a back.
Phone number. Phone number. Sammy. Sammy.
You don't have.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, what is the telephone number? Sammy. Ah, she's typing the telephone number. Okay, guys. So let me tell you something because first of all, we need to have really well connection in order to have this class. This class is for speaking, so therefore you need to have a well microphone and a well web camera. Okay, because then in order to have like the encounters, we are going to have 8 encounters at all. Okay, so this class is compound. Okay, 1 second.